Anxiety is common due to high expectation and vast syllabus as the board examination are starting from 18 February. To ease exam anxiety, psychiatric Dr. Indu Rani from SPD Hospital advised students to stay calm, focused and confident. She gave some tips to avoid stress during examination.
Okay, it's very common to have some depressive symptoms or stress in during pre-board or board examinations. The main symptoms can be in form of anxiety symptoms, which can be in form of choking sensation, breathlessness, tremors in hands, or some GI symptoms in form of nausea, vomiting, or loose motions before examinations. And there can be also some symptoms in form of sleep disturbances. In children, there can be daytime sedation, or there can be laziness or feeling of lying on the bed all throughout the day, and also there can be disturbances in form of deep disturbed sleep. There can be symptoms related to appetite also. There can be multiple causes for these symptoms. First of all, there is lot of pressure. The child is bearing a lot of pressure due to their peer pressure, their academic performances, and their parent pressure, or there can be causes related to their environment also. If the environment is not supportive, not caring, not understanding the child capability and child capacity, then they can lead to stress. There are a lot of ways through which they can manage their stress. First of all, there are stress busting activities, like they can do meditation, yoga, or they can schedule their throughout the day activities prior to the examination, and do multiple time of revision through practice papers and all, and so that they can effectively manage their time during the exams. Also, there are some things which the parents should be aware of, that the environment should be supportive. The parent need to understand that every child is different in their capacity and capability. All the children are not same. You cannot expect your child to be on the top all the time. So the parent and teacher, as well as teacher, need to understand that thing, that you should not make the child feel the pressure that he need to do he need to top the exam all the time. Exam is a part of life, and it's not their whole life, so they need to understand that thing.